Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Nginx caching headers for better performance. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your server via SSH. Log in as a user with sufficient privileges. Locate the Nginx configuration file. This file is typically found in the /etc/nginx/ directory. Open the configuration file using a text editor, such as Nano or Nginx. If you're editing the default configuration, look for nginx.conf or the relevant site-specific file in the site's available directory. Scroll to the server block that contains the location directives. Identify the location blocks that you want to modify for caching headers. To set caching headers, add the add_header directive. For example, to set a cache control header, include the following line: add_header cache control public, max age equals 3600, adjust the max age value to your desired caching duration in seconds. You can also modify the expires header for better browser caching. To do this, use add_header expires $expires. Make sure you have defined the $expires variable earlier in your configuration. Consider setting different caching policies for static files, such as images, CSS, and JavaScript. Add a location block if it does not already exist, like this: location ***, JPG, JPEG, PNG, GIF, CSS, JS, then add your caching headers within this block. Test the configuration for any syntax errors by running the command nginx. If there are no errors reported, proceed to reload Nginx to apply the changes. You can reload Nginx with the command system-reload Nginx. To verify that the caching headers are set correctly, use a tool like curl. Run curl http://yourdomain.com to check the response headers. Look for the cache control and expires headers in the output. Adjust the configuration as needed and repeat the testing process. Monitor your server performance to see the impact of the changes. Consider implementing gzip compression for better efficiency. Lastly, document your changes for future reference and maintenance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.